Hey guys, Sabellan here, and today we are unboxing my brand new, well, slightly brand new. I've already unboxed it to see if it will work with my Mac. Well, here we go. SteelSeries Apex Raw Gaming Keyboard. So I've used it for a bit, so I can tell you guys how it feels and all that. It feels really nice. These raised macro keys up here are really good. They feel really nice. It's not mechanical because I can't have that clicking sounds up at my desk. It's backlit, so the keys actually light up. So going around the box, you just have an image of it there, the info on the back, and just what it is, serial number and all that right here, and the SteelSeries Apex Raw again. But let's get into it. So I've already unboxed this, so it's not going to be wrapped in plastic, but you'll get the gist of it. So you take the first black box off and you get another black box. And in that black box you're presented with the SteelSeries Apex Raw keyboard. Ain't she a beauty? So here's the keyboard. You take it out. I didn't read how long of a cable it is, so I can't tell you guys that. Here's the info booklet, and here's the raised feet. So that's all that's in the box. Let me put the keyboard down and close the box up. Then once you have the keyboard out, it works Mac and PC. The Windows key right here, that's your command button. So as you see, there's not much of a clicking sound, or as you hear I should say. So these are all 12 macro keys. Then you have two like program settings. So you have 5. So essentially you have 12, I don't know, I'm not going to bother counting. You have 2 sets of 12 and 2 sets of 5 MX versus M keys. So it's backlit. It has the funky up right or up left and up right keys. SteelSeries key. So all in all, it's a good keyboard for the price you pay. And here's a precaution for you guys. Well, not a precaution, just information letting you know what's happening. I will soon be having an upgrade on my Mac. This is long awaited. I'm getting an SSD. Yes, you heard it from me first here, guys. I am finally getting an SSD for my Mac, so be ready to see that video coming up in the next week or so. It should be coming either the end of this week or the beginning of next week, so I'm excited for that. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to rate, like, comment, and subscribe. I don't remember how that goes anymore. I haven't recorded in a while. And hope you guys enjoyed my new intro. Please let me know how it is. If there's any changes you want me to do to it, I will be glad to change it. So hope you enjoyed. I thank fxchannelhouse, Effect House, or something like that. No, fxchannelhouse for the intro template. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and goodbye.